Hello everyone, today we're looking at DM1825. It is a 1996 Toyota Celsior. This is being listed with our direct from Japan inventory, but let's check this thing out. Open up these windows here so you can see.
This has the wool interior. This is something that we very rarely got in the US. It does have the built-in infotainment center. Interior looks amazing. All the factory floor mats. This is a slick top, so non-sunroof model.
This is a UCF21, so it does have factory air suspension. Has the tilt and telescoping. It's automatic when you put the key in. HVAC controls. It looks like the screen does not work. The radio still does work, so that's cool.
Check out the trunk here. Massive trunks in these Celsiors. Does not have the little toolkit.
Does have the spare, which is nice. What's up, man? Give me just 1 second. Yeah. Pop the hood.
Of course, under the hood, 1UZFE.
It looks like we did put a new battery in it.
Not much to say about these, just kind of indestructible.
Looks like it's had a timing belt put on it. That's cool.
It's hard to tell the date, 97,000 kilometers or so.
Yeah, the date's definitely washed
So
out.
not too long ago. And then we'll do a nice walk around the outside. Looks really good. This one's being sold direct, so we didn't do a paint correction on this one, and the paint still looks fantastic. It's got the Celsior spot here.
Gotta love that spot.
I just don't understand. I want to know. I'm curious why they all have it. Yeah, just a really nice car.
Super nice car. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to myself or to Dan. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.